Hawaii Volcanoes National Park.
Hawaii Volcano National Park.
A volcano wonderland.
The Volcano Wonderland.
Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is on an island in Hawaii.
Hawaii Lava National Park is an island in Hawaii.
A national park is protected land.
A national park is protected land.
Volcanoes form a park.
Volcano from a park.
A volcano begins with hot, melted rocks deep in the earth.
A volcano is from hot made rock keep in earth.
Two special volcanoes are in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park.
Two special volcanoes are in Hawaii National Park.
One volcano in the park is very active.
One volcano in the park is very active.
Another volcano in the park is very big.
Another volcano in the park is very big.
An amazing history.
An amazing history.
Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is 520 square miles.
Hawaii
1,347 square kilometers.
Hawaii Lava National Park is 520 square miles, 1,347 square miles.
People have come to see the volcanoes for a long time.
People come out to see a volcano of long time.
The land became a national park in 1916.
The park became national park in 1916.
There are volcanoes and lava tubes.
There were volcanoes and lava
Lava tubes are big tunnels under the ground.
Lava tubes are big tunnels under the ground.
People can walk through them.
People can walk through them.
Wildlife at the volcano's edge.
Wildlife at the volcano edge.
Hundreds of animals are protected
Hundreds of volcanoes are protected
in the park.
in the park.
Hundreds of plants are protected in the park.
Hundreds of plants are protected in the park.
Enjoy, but watch your step.
Enjoy, but watch your step.
People can hike or camp in the park.
People can in the park.
When the volcanoes are active, parts of the park close.
When the volcano are active, part of the park closed.
Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is fun to visit.
Hawaii Lava National Park is fun to visit.